Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now by shutting off the water under the sink. This prevents surprises. Once done, place a bucket and towel to catch water and dropped parts. Use the flashlight to look up at the drain tailpiece and pop-up linkage. You want clear sight lines. Make sure to have pliers and an adjustable wrench nearby, plus a screwdriver for screws. You are removing the stopper, so expose the horizontal pivot rod and nut. Don't waste time. Get hands and tools in position and proceed. You now focus on the pivot rod that holds the stopper. Loosen the retaining nut on the tailpiece with pliers while supporting the rod so it does not fall. Once the nut clears, pull the pivot rod straight out. The stopper usually comes free. Catch it with your hand or lower a string to retrieve it. Inspect the rod, clip, and stopper. Corrosion or worn clips are common causes of failure. If the stopper is stuck, wiggle gently while pulling. Patience prevents damage to the tailpiece. You finish by lifting the stopper straight up and out after the pivot rod is removed. Clean away hair, gunk, and mineral buildup with a rag and a brush so it moves freely. Replace any worn rubber seals or spring clips, then reinsert the pivot rod and tighten the nut snugly. Make sure the stopper opens and closes smoothly before fully tightening. If it remains stuck, apply penetrating oil to the pivot area and wait 10 to 15 minutes. That tip resolves most stubborn binds.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.